Understanding the word amateur. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English vocabulary. We'll be discussing the word amateur. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it properly. Amateur is a noun that comes from the French word meaning lover of. In English, it generally refers to 1. Someone who is new to a particular activity, skill, or science and does it as a hobby or without being paid. 2. A person who lacks expertise in, or is unskilled at a particular activity. For example, if someone says, "I'm an amateur photographer," they're indicating that photography might be a passion or hobby for them, but it's not their profession. An important distinction to make is between an amateur and a professional. An amateur does something for the love of it, often without receiving money or having formal training. A professional, on the other hand, usually has received training and gets paid for their work. Let's consider sports as an example. In the Olympics, traditionally, only amateurs were allowed to compete, meaning they did the sport because they loved it and not for monetary gain. Today, the lines have blurred, but the distinction is still important in many contexts. Let's see some examples to understand how amateur can be used in sentences. 1. She is an amateur painter, but her work is incredible. 2. I'm just an amateur when it comes to gardening, but I'm learning. 3. The event is open to both professionals and amateurs. So there you have it. Now you know what amateur means and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, being an amateur is not a negative thing. It simply means someone is passionate about something, even if they aren't a professional. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.